Issues affecting the new vehicle license plates were tackled at the lower house today. The full story from Freddie.
The lack of new vehicle license plates has spared no one. It appears that Power Plates Development Concepts and a foreign partner failed to comply with its contract to deliver on its commitments. Because of this, the company came under fire from members of the House Committee on Metro Manila Development, chaired by Congressman Winston Castelo.
Bakit hanggang ngayon wala pa yung plaka niya, wala pa yung plaka ko, wala pa yung plaka ng napakadaming tao? Nasaan? Nasaan? Ibig sabihin, kulang in order ba nila? Ganun ba sinasabi mo? Or dahil 5 years ang kontrata ninyo, bahala kayo kailan i-deliver yung plaka? Ano ba talaga?
Based on its signed contract with the DOTC and LTO amounting to 3.8 billion pesos, Plates committed to deliver close to 6 million plates for 4-wheeled vehicles and a little over 9 million for motorcycles. The company's legal counsel claimed deliveries were based on a time-bound schedule of the LTO for a period of 5 years. De La Cruz demanded a schedule and the total of releases which Power Plates and the LTO failed to disclose.
Your Honor, with all due respect, ang sinasabi po namin dito sa committee, may timetable din ng implementation yung LTO. And the implementation is within 5 years. So basically, I suppose that 5 years considers the absorptive capacity of the agency. So basically, in-spread yung changing of the full plates of this whole project within 5 years. So may mga mauna, most likely, based dun sa in-order ng LTO sa amin, yun yung i-deliver namin. Then, yung mga iba po siguro, hindi ko po alam how it's being distributed to the motorists.
Nasaan yung schedule na yun? At ano yung sinasabi ninyo na 73% na deliver na ninyo ngayon, taon nito, etc. Where is that particular schedule? Do you have a scheduled delivery? Kasi itong Mr. Chairman, just for the information of everybody, this particular contract, nababalutan talaga ito ng kontrobersya from the very start. Kasi nagpabid sila nang wala silang mayoma. Multi-year obligational authority. Nagpabid sila niyan. At nagkaroon lang ng legal opinion na nagamot ng konti ito nitong 2014 with the 2014 budget. Yan ang sinasabi ng DOJ. But even that is very problematic.
The unavailability of the new plates has been a problem for motorists, especially after the LTO declared its no registration, no travel policy in early April. Transportation Undersecretary Jose Lutilla said the delay for the delivery of plates has been caused by the late signing of the contract in 2014, although an agreement was reached in 2014. A delay that has triggered panic among motorists due to the LTO's order of no registration, no travel policy.
Kung napirmahan po yung kontrata in 2013, mag-umpisa na po yung deliveries by 2013. Kaso po, hindi napirmahan yung kontrata in 2013. 2014 na po. So, na-push back po ngayon yung deliveries. Kasi nag-adjust na po bago na po yung date ng start of deliveries of the contractor. Kaya po in a way po, kung titingnan natin, para pong nagkabuhol-buhol because accumulate na
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddie Abanda reporting.